Good day, traders. How are we doing today? I'm doing this video just a little late today. Did not sleep too good last night, and I slept in. Had to catch up a couple Z's, and I'm here to please. Anyway, let's just look at this chart here. Let me make it bigger. So here's the open, right, of the stock market. See, we got the wick on top. It's pretty easy at that, to look at it now and say, oh yeah, well, that was easy. I just had to buy it. Yeah, well, say you bought it here. Well, you first got drawdown down to here before it went up here. So that's why you always gotta try and pay attention to the close of the candles, not the open, the close. I know you're all the adrenaline's rushing, the price is moving fast up and down, in the open of the stock market, and it's somehow there's like this devil on your shoulder that says, oh, look, when it was down here, you'd think, oh, it's going to go down, I'm going to sell, and then they just buy it right back up, That's why you have to wait and see what the candles tell you on the close, because they can't really tell you the whole story when they first open. Because after they first open, they do a whole lot of different things, right? They go up, they go down, they dance around, right? That's why I always look at the close of the candles. Like my old broker once quoted all the time, he'd say, it's not how the candle opens, it's how it closes that tells you what the near-term trend is. Of course, he was trading deadly charts, I was going to say. Daily. He was trading daily charts. So, when you trade dailies, you're trading the end of the day, not the start of the day, the end. And that's why he'd always say that. So, it's not how it opens, it's how it closes. Okay, I just wanted to bring that point across to you today. So we could convince this to be, okay, right here from the bodies, okay, basically a double bottom, close enough, right? And I'll show you exactly how I use this little red doodah right here to create it. Which is like this. Right there. Oh, the loogies are going to start coming. Please excuse me for hacking and cracking and... Oh, yeah. When you go to sleep, this mucus develops in some people, not all. I guess that's what happens when when you smoke cigarettes for 23 years. That definitely contributed to my mucus problem today. Yeah, smoking's not good. I smoked a bunch of the other wacky tobacco too, so I gotta suffer now from it. I quit smoking everything like a long time ago. I was like, how old was I? I was 30. I was 34 and a half. So I quit like 25 years ago, and I'm still hacking up stuff. Don't smoke. That's my best suggestion to you. Okay, so anyway, on this trade, we would have got in on the close of the first 5 minutes. So you would have got in there. Your drawdown would have been 27 points. So our stop is 27 points, right? There's 33. Let's see, 27 and 27 is 54. Did we get 54 points up here? Oh yeah, we got 61. So you would have got your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio on that trade if you were brave enough to do it on the open. So then we have a high and a higher high, and a high and a lower high on the indicator, and you would have sold right in here. That's what I forgot to put on here, the arrow. You would have sold right on the opening of this candle right here, okay? Because that's the way my system works. You enter on the close of the candle. So your stop would have been 40 points. It did not go down 40 points. We're lucky if we got 20. Actually, we got 32. So there you have it. And now it's crossed back up, the 5 above the 7. It's probably going to go to a higher high now on the day. Just wondering, I didn't mark it again. Oh, it made the new high. Look at that, eh? Wow. We've gone to new highs now. I think we have. Hold on. No. Not yet. I thought we went to new highs of 21. We hit that was our ultimate high of 21. I thought we broke this high right here. We didn't, but we're going to it, man. We're going to it. They're not stopping, man. We're going to it. We're going to it. That's all there is to it. We're going to it. Okay. So there you have it. That's the NASDAQ. Let's move on here. Let's try and do this quickly. I got to go drive an hour and a half to London, Ontario, so I can get some water so I can survive. I only drink water and milk. No more screwdrivers, vodka and orange juice, no more beer. No, it makes me really, really sick. So when you drink just a very little bit of alcohol, and if it makes you like, 10 times worse than before when you used to get a hangover, you have problems with your organs. And I have problems with my organs. Because I know, like the last time I drank, I only drank 3 beer. And I was sick for like 3 weeks from those 3 beer. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, you see what I'm saying. My best advice to you, if you drink, don't drink. It's not good. That's poison. That's like drinking formaldehyde, man. It's poison. That's what it is. Anyway, I'm just trying to pass some good advice to people. Yeah, milk and water's good. Pop's no good either. That fizzy soda, I guess you call it in the States, you call it soda. Up here in Canada, we call it pop. Funny, eh? We're funny as Canadians. Okay. I don't see no freaking, well, yeah, I guess there is. It's a very long one, but look, we got a low and a lower low, double bottom. Well, it's kind of a little higher, but close enough. Actually, I should be drawing it from here. Low to lower low, but this is lower than this one. It's not divergent from there. It's not divergent from way over there either. There's no trade. There's no trade there. I'm in la la land. I'm dreaming. There's no trade to buy it here. And up here, there's no trade to sell it here either, because this mountain needs to be lower than this one. Okay, let's move on now. That's the S&P. There's no freaking trades on it. Holy shit. Maybe there is in the 1 minute, but I'm not caring to go look. Let's go to the Dow now. Oh yeah, we got some here. We're right there like that. There's the trade entry right there at 36,300. 36,300 on the Dow. Is it making a new high? Oh, I think so. Monthly? Oh, almost. Look, just a little bit more to go to make a new high. Wow. These markets are so manipulated. It's you got to see that. There's no reason for it to be going up. right? Or the Nasdaq or the freaking S&P. There's no reason for any of those to be going up. You know, in the States, you guys are you got the shit storm of inflation. They say that the unemployment numbers are really low, and it's a lie. It's all lies. And see, and they're probably taking money that they printed up from the Fed, and they're buying this market up. They're buying these markets up, trying to make it look like everything's okay in America when it's not. It's not. I bet you the crash is going to come soon. People have been talking about it traders been talking about it for 3 years, man, or more, actually, even longer than that. I thought these markets were going to crash back in 2011, and they went straight up to the new highs, new highs, new highs. It's retarded. There's no way in hell that the price should be up here like that. You must agree with me. Holy sheep shit. Anyway, let's get back to the 5-minute where we find our little piss-ass trades. And here they are, right here. So you would have got long on this candle, on the opening of this candle. And it closed down here against you. So you had, about 27 points drawdown. No big deal. So 27 points. It went up 85 points. So you would have got your 2-to-1 if that's what you were shooting for. Also, I want to show you lower close right there. Still inside my little zone. You would have bought it on the opening of this candle right here. And it went up like 45 points. Here's another one right here. See that? We're only going to put on 2 of them today. Because the first one, second one, and third one's getting iffy. But let me tell you, the first 2 work like gangbusters. Right there, lower close, buy it, up it goes, okay? So on this one, you would have got a potential of 60 points to the very top. Not that you would have got 60 points, I'm saying the maximum potential was 60 points. Just had to get a little drink of water. Not beer, water. No buzz, no wobbly pops for me ever again in my life. But that's okay. I drank lots of wobbly pops. Nothing like that Grey Goose vodka today. Oh my God, it is so smooth. And I remember when I was young and I was drinking what we used to call it schmishmuck. It was Smirnoff's vodka. Oh, that was like made with potatoes. Rotten potatoes. Compared to that Grey Goose. But oh my God, they want a fortune for booze today. Like, what is it? We call it a 40-ouncer. It's like 130 or 40 bucks or some stupid shit. It's crazy. Even at 26er, we used to call it 26 ounces. That too, that's like 80 bucks or something for a 26er. Can you freaking believe it? Yeah, of course Smirnoff's is cheaper, but it tastes like shit. It's like it tastes like rubbing alcohol. It even smells like rubbing alcohol. Yeah, that's real good for our liver. Oh yeah, let's pickle up the liver. Okay, there's those 2 trades. Let's move on. Pound 5-minute. I think we have divergence right over here. We do. We have a high and a higher high. And we have, I didn't need to draw it that far like that. Just looked like I did. I just need to draw it to there. Or somewhere there. Somewhere in there like that. It's divergent. Trust me. Trust me. See, right there. Right there. Yeah, it's divergent. See what is sold right in here. Right there. Okay, so we would have got short right there. Our stop would have been only 7 pips. And it went down 19 pips. So you would have got your 14 pips, 2-to-1 win-loss ratio, or your 1-to-1, whichever one you did. And then See right here? See the blue doodahs down here? They line up. We had another trade. It was hidden divergence right up to there like that. When it came crossed back down right here. It's also a smackdown trade. See that? See it? Candle closes above. Then they smack it down. You sell it right there. So it's a smackdown trade and it's a hidden divergence trade. Okay? So it went down 12 pips and the stop was 8. You would have got your 1-to-1. And let me just draw that on there so you see it. Something like that. And the smackdown is an X right there. See that? Beautiful. And then we gotta show the loser too. We have a low and a lower low. Okay, if you're willing to believe that, oh, we're turning bullish now, right? You would have bought right in there. Okay? And guess what happened? Yeah, you know what happened. They came down, they got your stop. Because it sure as hell didn't go down and give you the profit you were looking for, which was 10 pips. It didn't give you 10 pips until over here. Actually, right over here. You could have held on and got it, but I'm thinking... I'm thinking not. Also, you had the arrow to buy from this. Or, no, I didn't even mark it yet, did I? Okay, it's right here, and it's... Oh, I got too many trades on the chart. Mozi. Sorry about that. There's the trade setup for that. Then, we had, this is a double top. Guaranteed, it's double top. And look down here, see? See what is sold somewhere in here or waited for the pullback, higher close, sell it, down it goes. These stupid labels. Okay. Sorry, I had a brain fart. Right there. It's the entry from the divergence, the double top, to sell it right here, and down it goes. Also, wow. Really bad today, the mucus. I didn't fall asleep till like 6:30 in the frickin' morning. Jesus, I only got about 4 hours sleep. Shit. Anyway, higher close near the 5, sell it, down it goes. Okay? Went down about 18 pips. Okay? And we also have the entry here for the divergence up here. And it went down. It would have been a winner. Both would have been winners. There's 20 pips to the bottom on the pound. Okay? Let's move on now to the euro. Let's get through this. Oh, euro not looking so good. Wow. I guess this was the main signal of this pattern. This is double top right here. Well, we could call it even a triple top. That's like the main pattern of telling you when it's down here and it's going back up, or it's down here and it's going back up, it's still basically telling you, hold on, you might get lower prices yet. And that's what that means up there. The big dogs, they know. They know when they see this, it's like, oh yeah, we're staying short down into here. At least that's the way I always understood it. Maybe I'm 100% wrong and it's an algorithm. I don't know. All that I know is I love my divergence and I see it and it works, and that's all I know. Okay. So this right here, down like this. And you would have got short right on. Right in here somewheres. How much did it go down? Say we got short right up here. How much did it go down? Well, there's 24 points to there, pips. That's enough. Mm-hmm. Unreal, man. I can't stop. This mucus doesn't stop. Shit. Okay, let's look at the pound yen now. That's Friday's markings. That's not today. I have the auto scroll off. Okay, here's today. Oh, what did we have up here? Look at that bullshit. Look at that. Perfect double top, selling off 183.65. This dotted line. And look at this shit. They're saying sell, double top sell. And they take it right up here. They sure did fool the people, huh? Oh, yeah. And not only did they fool them with the double top, they fooled them with this big bar candle that rallied up 91 points. And to the top, it rallied up like 117. So you'd automatically think, we just went up, rallied up quick over 100. We're going to go down now. And then here's the double top to suck you right into it right here. Motherfuckers. Okay. Let's just go over here. And there's no divergence here. A high and a higher high because this high is higher than this high. So there's no trade to sell it into here. But we do have the doodah trades, right? So we'll show you a couple of those. There's one. Higher close, sell it. Oh, actually that closed above. No, that one doesn't count. That one doesn't count. It's right here. Right there. Higher close, close right on the 7. Sell it, down it goes. Okay? Here's a smackdown right here. Check out the smackdown. Right here. Closes above, buy fake, and then they whack it down and it closes near the low of the candle right there. Right on the opening of this candle, you would have sold it. Boom. And it went down 30 pips on the pound yen. That's a smackdown trade. Beautiful thing. Here's a regular divergence trade, I think. No, it's fucking going down too. You bitch. No, there's no divergence. Low and lower low, buy it up and go. No, no. There's no divergence there. However, there is divergence though. Just got to draw it to a higher thingamajig, right? Just like that. And just draw it right over here, just like that. And there's our sell trade, divergence, hidden divergence, which I call hard to see divergence right there. On the opening of this candle, you would have sold it. Your stop would be 23 points. Didn't get 23 points. Got 16 to 17. So I think anybody, would go, okay, we're down here, either take it here or somewhere in here, because look over here. You got to think to yourself, every time price comes down to a recent past level, okay, they're going to buy off there. And that's what they did right here. They bought off there, and same here. Came back down to this level, they bought off there, okay? So you would have took your profit there. Or at least I would have. Some people use support and resistance to get in a trade. I use it to get out. That's what I use it for. Because every time I try to do it to get in a trade, to buy or sell, it never fucking works for me. I don't know why, but it doesn't. So I gave up on it. I only use it like right here. Say I was short here, I would know. Like right here, if it goes down somewhere close to this level, I got to close my trade right there. That's the way I think, and that's the way I trade, with support and resistance. Okay? Let's move on now to the Euro Yen. We're almost done. Oh yeah, Euro Yen did the big spike up too, and the double top, the fake out, and double fake out. Fake out to buy it and fake out to sell it. You bastards. Yeah, they're doing their same games, those hillbillies from up in the Kentucky hills. Redneck hillbillies. Yeah, that's the Rothschilds for you. That's what I call them. Okay, what do we have up here? Nothing. We have nothing. Nothing, man. Nothing. Nothing. There's no trade there. If anybody lives in Kentucky who's listening here, don't be offended. I'm not. I just like to say things here and there that don't mean a whole lot of nothing. I'm sure it's beautiful in the Kentucky hills. Yeah, I'm sure it is. I've never been there. Or to Tennessee, Nashville. Never been there either. But I have been all over the States. Los Angeles 3 times. Been to Tijuana, Mexico from Los Angeles. Been to Las Vegas a few times. Went to New York City. I always wanted to go up to Boston. That's where, the first boat landed. I don't know, 500 years, 600 years ago. It's incredible. You think about our history and all our ancestors who've come and gone, and we're gonna come and go too. We're here. We've come. Soon we will be gone. Yeah, it's a crazy thing. The end. Okay, I don't see no divergence here, man. This is a mess. Let me see what gold gave us. Gold was probably really good. Watch. Yeah, see? It was really good. Yeah. I never looked at this chart until just now. How did I know that? Because all the rest of the charts are all messed up. So they're screwing everybody on the other ones, and there's a nice, beautiful, long trend down on gold. And is there a trade? Yeah, there is. Right up here. Like basically a triple top, whatever you want to call it. See? You would have got short right in here. See? Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Went all the way down. Look, it's still going. 158 points. And did we have any, higher close, sell it down and goes trades? Oh, yeah. We did. Let me show you. This one doesn't count, remember? But it's a smackdown trade. Hold on. I'll show you that one. There's this one right here. Higher close, even though it's just a little bit and it's close to the 5, you still can sell it, and down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. You see all those trades, man? You see them all? Yeah, man, it's a beautiful thing. Boom, sell it. Boom, sell it. Oh, I put that one in the wrong place. It goes right there. And then the third last one. Where is it? Oh, it's got to be this one. See, it gets riskier, but see, this is a beautiful, perfect one right here. And here. Oh, and then there was the smackdown trade right up here. Let me show you before we leave this. See, the one candle closes above. It sucks the buyers in, the bulls, and then they smacked it down right here. See, close near the low of the candle. Right there. You would have sold it on the opening of that candle, and down it went. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades all the way down in a trend. Where most people, they're doing the opposite, ladies and gentlemen. The fucking opposite. When people see this bullish candle, they go, oh, it's going to go up now, it's going to go up. And they're buying right here at the top. And down it goes. I'm sorry, I have to laugh because I know I used to do this mistake myself. Okay? And what tells us that we can only sell? Well, it's easy. It's very easy, even though people think they're silly. It's the 5 is below the 7. Yeah, 5 is below the 7. 5 is below the 7. 5 is below the 7. You see that? Here's the 7. Here's the 5. Tells you we're in a downtrend all the way down. That's how I know that. I know I probably come here every day and I say, sell here, higher close, sell, and down it goes. Higher close, sell, and down it goes. And you're probably all going, how the fuck does he know how to sell all the time or buy all the time? How does he know? It's because of my two beautiful moving averages. That's why. If you get in like a trade, like here, triple top, and you sell it right here, okay? Well, it's not a good example because it crossed up a little bit, but it didn't cross way up here. It just kind of kissed it and came right back down. See, it told you right there, stay with the trade, okay? Then when this came up here, the 5 is still below the 7. It told you, stay short, stay short. Here's another one, stay short all the way down. Stay short, even right there, it looked like it was going to cross. It didn't cross. Stay short, down it goes. After that, you leave it alone, of course. But all the way down, the 5 never crossed back up over the 7. You see what I'm saying? And that's what kept you short until it changes. When it changes is when the 5 is going to cross up above the 7. That's when the trend is going to change. Anyway, that's how you go after like lots of pips, man. So if you sold it from way up here, it told you to stay short all the way down here. That's 133 ticks or points. All because of a simple moving averages. You see how I read read these moving averages. I read them for many different things. Which is also, there's one very important thing I read about them. I don't mention it here. It's in my course. I can't give it all to you for free here, like I've been doing since May. I teach you a lot of good stuff, but if you want the last little piece of it, well, you know what to do. But anyway, that's how you stay short, is the 5 below the 7. That's it. Okay, let's look at oil now. Last one, it was very choppy. I looked at oil today. Yeah, see that shit? But we had trades. We had trades from the UK session. Over here, no, it's a mess. But let me show you. We have a double top up here. See? And you would have got short right on the opening of this candle here. Same with this one. Look, let me make it bigger. Right here. Look. I just can't seem to do my videos quick. I have too much stuff to share with you beautiful people. I'm sorry, man. I'd like to do like 15-minute video or something. I can't. I see so many things I want to share with you and teach you. You know, I love to teach people and help people. I've always been like that all my life. Even not even about other things too. You know, like if you get sick, as soon as you start feeling the scratchiness in your throat, gargle warm salt water. It'll kill it. And you won't be sick for the next 7 days. You'll be just fine. You'll be happy. That's one of the things I share with people. Anyway, so the same thing up here, okay? We have the divergence. We have the entry right here. See the 5, it never crossed back up over the 7, right? No. So it told you to stay short. Stay short. Even right here, stay short. And down it goes right here. Told you, oh, we're changing now. We're going long. Ah, yeah, have another cigarette, Jason. Jesus. Just won't stop today. Anyway, that's how you stay in the trade. You stay short or you stay long. So anyway, there's the trade up there. There was a smackdown right here too, okay? It wasn't a big smackdown, but it was still a smackdown. Right here on the opening of this candle where I just put the X, you would sell it because it's a smackdown trade. And it went down 75 ticks on oil. Okay? Here's another smackdown trade. Let me show you. Let me show you. Right there. On the opening of this candle, see, we had a higher closing candle above the 2 moving averages. Then they smacked it down. In other words, they said, F you suckers. You bulls. You're suckers. Because you went for my buy fake right here. And then once they smack it down and it closes near the low of the candle, which it did right there, you sell it, man. And look, it works nearly every time. There's 44 points. Ticks to the bottom. And this smackdown, sell it, and down it goes. And we have a higher close and a pin bar. Sell it on the close, down it goes. Okay? Yeah, and there's probably there's another trade. Hold on. This is the last trade. Yeah, this is the last one. This is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the last one for today. Okay? We have a low and a lower low, and we put on a arrow, and up we go. Right there. Ran up around 80 points right up to the top here. You would have done well with that trade, ladies and gentlemen. There's no lower close buy it, up it goes. That one needs to be close to the 5. There's one here. It didn't go too far. It went sideways and went to shit, went to hell after that. Look at this. Look at this shit, man. You see what I see? That's a triangle if I ever did see one. Do I trade triangles? No, not at all. But I just saw it with my eye. I just thought I would draw it in there for you for fun. There's people who do trade triangles, descending, ascending triangles. They trade flags and all kinds of things. All kinds of chart formations. As you can see, I have my own unique chart patterns that I look for. Like, who else in the world trades this? My smackdown trade, which is a stupid name, but the only reason why I call it that is because when I've done these trades in the past, I'm sitting there and I'm going, okay, smack it down some more, you bitch, smack it down. And sure enough, they work like more often than not. So that's why I call it the smackdown. We also have a smack up trade too. That's when it's going up and it does a lower close and buy it, up it goes. But you got to love these trades. Nobody else in the world, I assure you, trades this or even has heard of it or knows about it. Just me. And I share it with you, great people. Anyway, I think I said enough for today. You want to look at Bitcoin for a sec? Oh, look, they took profits on Bitcoin. How much did they? Oh, look at that. It's like, wow, they just smacked that sucker down. Look at that double top. You see the divergence? Or even high and higher high, and see right there. They told you to sell it right up there, divergence. How much did they take it down? Oh, they took it down 3,600 or something. They took it down. What about XRP? What did they do with it? Oh, yeah, they smacked it down. They do. Every time XRP makes a new high, they smack it down. Make a new high, smack it down. Make a new high, smack it down even lower than where the rally started. Yeah, they do it every freaking time. It pisses me off. They've been doing this since 2017. They take it up, it rallies up, then some bastard somewhere take profits, back down it goes. I'm gonna wait another 10 years maybe to make some money from it. Oh well. Anyway, I just want to lastly say I am not a financial advisor. Everything that I show you here, all these smackdowns and smack ups and double tops and lower lows and all those things I talk about and describe on the chart are for educational purposes only, okay? I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for listening. Thanks for coming out. I hope you come back out tomorrow and we'll do it all over again and you can learn some more. Good stuff. Okay. I hope you have a great afternoon. Good luck and good trading.